This is the belief. The belief is, I believe from every moment and every interaction that you're gonna do from all your heart, not even thinking you're doing it for to give. You're just doing it because you love it. In that purity, it will receive whoever was meant to be there to do it. So when people say to me, thank you so much for this, I say, no, if anything, thank you so much because I've done my job. I had to deliver this. I connect what belongs to people to the people. So when I'm gifting you something, actually thank you, because now another load gone. I pack my bag with gifts, I call them, because they get lighter with traveling. But then universe is telling you where to give each. That means they have manifested these things through you because they are good. And you're just going big up. This was for you. And I've done my job well. And if you do your job really well, you got many other missions to be sent in by the universe. And I never ever think, where am I gonna buy things to cook for people? Or when I don't work, I don't make money, I don't have an income, I don't do advertising, I don't beg, I don't ask for favors. I'm just being. And really, everywhere I go, there's enough, a lot of brothers and sisters always ready to supply what is needed for this machine to do what is needed, you know. It's like, you give me what I need and I give people what they need. Okay, what do you need? Few boxes of domata, lots of eggs, 10 loaves of bread, these spices, this olive oil, this, you're like, done. You got them. The other brothers brought the grill and the wood and everything, and I'm like the knife guy and chopping, and families gathering. So we've all together made it happen.